Hi, and welcome to the RISE-Intensive Digital Research Methods. This video will introduce the intensive and walk you through the different topics that will be explored. First, I'll start by introducing myself. My name is Hannah Guy and I'm currently in the third year of my PhD at Manchester Metropolitan University. My thesis examines the role of images in the spread of disinformation on social media, with a concentration on populist right-wing disinformation. In terms of my academic history, I received a BA in English Literature from the University of Hull, and I have MAs in Librarianship and Social Research from the University of Sheffield. The first topic will be an introduction to digital methods. What can be learned from analysing social media data? What can it tell us about society and democratic processes? While social media data can be analysed in a variety of ways, this intensive will concentrate on the method of content analysis, which is a systematic method of analysing a lot of data. Once we understand what can be learned from social media data, we'll then move on to learn how social media data can be collected, including an exploration of the differences between free social media data collection tools and paid-for data collection tools. Ethics are also important to take into consideration. There is an assumption that because social media data is publicly accessible, it is available to collect without ethical considerations. However, in research, social media data is treated like any other kind of data, and social media data also has some unique ethical issues to take into consideration. How to approach social media images also requires its own consideration. Social media is very image-centric, and images are a key method of communication on social media. However, images are much more complicated than text, so they need to be examined separately. The intensive ends with two topics dedicated to the method of content analysis. The first will introduce this method and explain what it entails. This will follow with a walkthrough of how content analysis can be performed on a data set of social media images, specifically examine images for their type. Finally, having been shown the process of conducting content analysis for image type, you will then have the opportunity to perform your own content analysis on the same dataset, this time to examine images for their content.